So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do it. Here on the Google search, you want to type for YouTube TV and then click on tv.youtube.com. After you signing in, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click on your profile picture. And then you want to go to settings right here. On the membership windows, you want to scroll down until you see this option called NBA League Pass. And then you will be given two options right here. The first one is to pay monthly to YouTube TV. And then the second one is to pay upfront for a specific season that's currently ongoing. For the second option right here, the prices will be differ. If you pay at the beginning of the season, it will be more expensive. But if you pay it at the middle or the last moment of the specific season, then the price will be cheaper. And after you decide, you can just click on Add button right here, which will take you to the payment of the pass. And that's how to get NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. And then to watch the NBA League Pass, you can just go to your home screen or the live section, and then couple hours prior the game start, the NBA live game for the specific season will appear right here on the home section or live section. And that's how to get NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.